Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to find workshop maps in CS2. So the first thing that you will need to do, since I am going to show you two methods. So the first one is you'll have to go to gamebanana.com. Okay, so just go to this website and then scroll down and then go to the search games and then type out CS2. So you will then just have to click on the Counter-Strike 2. And then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here the maps. So there are 81 active maps on CS2. So you will then just have to click on it. And then when you scroll down and select the map that you want to use, for example, I want to have this map. So I'm going to click this one and then scroll down until you see the manual download. So just click on the manual download and then just go here and then click on the download. So right after that, just wait until the download is complete. Now you have to install that file into your Steam. So from our previous videos, I have shown you on how to install a file or install a map in CS2. Now for our second method is we have to go to this website, the modedb.com/games/counter-strike-2/add-ons. So when you scroll down, you can see that there are 52 active maps on CS2. So now we are just going to use the search bar to look for the workshop maps. So for example, I'm going to search for surf and then click this map here. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see this download now option, the red one. So you will then just have to click it and this one as well. And then the file will be downloaded to your file. So right after that, you will then just have to install it to your Steam, like I have said earlier. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.